Ryan, dwy yr un, pwynt yr un, canlyniad teg?
Fi'n credu wrth edrych ar y gêm yn ei gyfanrwydd ydy, ond wrth ystyried sut ath y gêm a'r golau nath ni roi ffwrdd, oedd nhw'n gwan iawn yn ystyriaeth ni. A oedd cyfle mawr dyn ni'n neud yn 3-1 gyda Ryan Reynolds o ryw 10 llath i ffwrdd fel arfer, mae hwnna'n mynd yn y rwyd, ond wedyn ni, maen nhw'n jyst rhoi load o wasgedd, oedd ddim lot o warau gyda nhw, wedyn ni ail hanner, ond nhw jyst yn taflu beir ymlaen, a maen nhw'n effeithiol iawn wrth wneud hynny, so da iawn iddyn nhw am wneud hynny, ond fi bach yn siomedig y ffordd ni heb cael gafael yn y gêm chwaith.
Andy, a valuable away point, but is it a win that got away?
I think so. I think it's one that we've just talked in the change room, but there, one that's probably slipped through us, especially we've missed a penalty and a couple of other clear chances. But performance was top draw. That's 3 or 4 really good performances that we've done now or had now on the bounce. So hopefully we're building a little bit of momentum now to keep pushing on.
Ollie Anderson, you are tonight's scorio player of the match. Your performance in the second half was the catalyst for Britain Ferry winning that important point tonight.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it's just great to come on and make an impact and help the team.
But in terms of the goal you scored, it was so important for Britain Ferry to get back in the game.
Yeah, well, all praise to Tom Walters. It's a beautiful ball into the box, and I just like finding myself in those areas in the box, and it's gone in. And yeah, we've done well, fought hard, and unfortunately we couldn't get the win in the end.
Mae ras am y 6 ucha yn twymo yn fawr, pwynt arall i chi heddiw, ond gêm enfawr nawr ar ŵyl San Steffan yn ebyn y Bari.
Ie, mae 9 pwynt i ni wario amdano fe. Gêm gyntaf yw Bari wrth gwrs, wedyn Hwlffordd a wedyn Pen y Bont. So 3 gêm mawr ac newn ni un gorau glas i pigo lan gymaint o bwyntiau ni gallu pe bai ni yn y top 6 neu'r gwylodion. Gawn ni weld, ond job ni flwyddyn yma i aros yn y cyngor achos mae pethau cyffroes yn mynd i ddechrau flwyddyn nesaf. Mae job mawr dyn ni i aros yn y cyngor achos mae tîmoedd eraill, mae clybu eraill wedi buddsoddi'n fawr iawn, so mae wedi bod yn gystadleuol tu hwnt eleni.
It's been a difficult week for Britain Ferry with the flooding in the town, etc. And a word about your supporters who made the trip down the M4 again today.
Well, they're brilliant, aren't they? They're with us every week, you know, whether it's up in Colwyn Bay or whether it's here at Caerdydd Met, and certainly at home, they make the noise and the boys love it. They appreciate everything that they do, and we do. And as you say, it's been a difficult week for the club, but everybody's pulled together, and hopefully it reflected on the pitch tonight.